You're leaving, huh?
Wow. How do I start? Cute cell phone and guitar. Yes. Wow.
After, sir, listen first. After slicing, I'd like you to get your gift, ha? And then open your gift. I'll take the video also. Let them choose. Okay. Uy, the video. Come on. Harriet, are you scared of slicing the cake? Sarah, they're slicing the cake now. So are you scared? How about here? Hello, Win. Where are you, Win? Baby will look like me. Eat. Are you sure? Are you full? Miss, not yet. Okay.
Success.
Guys, look at them. They're scared of slicing the cake.
It's very pretty.
Of course, as pretty as the one who bought it. Of course.
Uy, nalisa pa yan si Miss ay yung tingna.
Take a picture.
606. I cannot send you there anymore. But tell me if you want.
It's nice if it has one.
Maybe you won't. I don't know.
What one?
I don't know. If you want, tell me, okay? Because she's leaving. It's her last day.
Miss.
Sir, place it on my... okay, there. Maybe you first.
You first, you. Actress first.
Thank you.
No, it's okay. Everyone, eyes here.
You try my aunt's banana brownies, and if you want orders, please.
Sir Jason.
Can I copy it?
I'll put this in YouTube. Mommy, the cook is there. Daddy Raul
Can I copy?
is the cook.
Hello, you.
Wave your hand, Daddy. Wave your hand. Alright, that's the cook. Very delicious food he served us today. Hey, include me. No, wait, include me. Wait. Wait up. I'm here.
Jason. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Look at the... Right, happy birthday. By the way, guys, happy birthday according to Bridget. And the walls up there. I mean, pillars, the decoration. Cute. Alright, that's made by February. Eyes and SJ. 1, 2... Very festive. Very festive. Yeah, very proud. Really. Happy birthday, guys. Sarah.
You point your name. And you point my name. Korea. Sarah.
Ako, that's okay. 1, 2. Okay.
Courtesy of February.
Thank you, Lydia.
What's your message, sir?
Miss. Wow, I'm surprised. Amazing. I wanted to buy this one good miss today because I have to do a report tomorrow.
Did you remember when I asked you that, sir, do you have USB? And what did you say?
I don't have. Thank you so much.
Why?
Thank you.
I would like to
That's my color.
Yes, I would would like to say problem solved.
Uni, let's exchange. Thank you.
Alam mo,
Thank
mag-exchange
you.
mo para dili mo kalimot.
Message, message. No more?
Speech. Uni, you have to give a speech. Uni, first. Ladies first. No, you first, Uni.
You first because she's leaving. You're the birthday boy.
No, we should have her first. I think I'm very busy with my birthday today. I have two presentations tomorrow in CNE in different subjects, and I really don't know which one to study first.
All right.
And I don't know, but a lot of people prepared for my birthday, and
Wow.
doing my birthday is an ordinary day, but thank you so much for making it special. I mean, my students did not know anything about my birthday. I think
Guys, welcome, welcome. Jason. That's mine. Okay.
it's yours.
Hey, Gail. Gail, come on, Gail. Gail.
Is it yours for allowing me to be crushed?
You're always welcome, buddy.
No, I told them to come, but I don't know where she is.
Because you will invite the group on your baby's Christy name.
See you.
Will you? Message, please.
Martin, thank you.
Hello, hi. It's my last day. I'm here for.
Last day in CPLs. Don't say last day, whatever.
Thank you
Oh,
for.
is it your last day?
Thank you for the preparation. It's my last day in CPL.
It's your birthday also. Supposed to be next week.
Yes, it's a double
Uni, is it your last
celebration
birthday?
for, the last day and the birthday celebrators forever. Anyway, thank you for preparation. Miss, I'm so touched with the USB.
True.
Gig, 1 gig. Mine was only 512.
Eh, what is the
Problem
only
solved.
two-
And the gig, beautiful. Thank you so much.
Muatag na mo 2 gig eh. Muatag siya 1 gig.
Ano?
Sige na,
Should I combine?
Okay, na?
3 gig. Okay. Thank you so much. I would
Mega
like
round.
to especially thank
The following sponsor.
Henry Sultan for coming here. Daddy and yes, our baby.
Our new.
Yes, Jason. Our new member. Yes, we will take
Go.
New member in the group. All right. Look at she's giving birth very soon. An old member.
Main picture.
Sure.
Sorry, cell phone.
Sorry, cell phone.
Oh, by the way, everything is edible. You can eat everything except the yes. All right, and that's
Uy, except ko na-
celebration of Harriet and Harold. This is video, guys.
You said this one is edible.
What again?
You said this one is edible.
So we were waiting for the count.
Okay.
Di, pusing pa kasi sila yung picture sa video.
All right, I'll stop. I'll take pictures of you.